Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are talking about the second method of how to clean a silver coin, and by using a vinegar, which is 20%, and baking soda. So what I will do, I will use this already damaged coin, which is an 200 lei from Romania and from 1942. This silver content, it has like 70% of silver content, and it's actually already damaged, so I would use the least preferred options in my silver coin plates, that is with vinegar and baking soda. So the problem with this method is that this method is rubbing the surface of the silver, and it leaves micro scratches on the surface of that coin. So let me pick some baking soda. So I would add the baking soda right away here, which does a small chemical reaction. It is not mandatory to add it over there, and basically what this will do is scratch the surface and removes the patina, and this is getting much cleaner. Actually, this is very shiny now. So as you see, this was getting much cleaner. It is near perfect. So compared to the original state of this is in much better shape. But I would avoid this method because it is creating some scratches on the surface, and you won't be able to remove those scratches, actually never. And compared to my previous video where I'm using this car wax, this is having a much better result than the car wax, but the trade-off is that this is scratching the surface really heavily. So I would avoid this kind of method with the baking soda due to that. So if you would like to see the next one, where I'm cleaning a silver coin with a different method, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because you will be stay tuned and you will be notified by YouTube. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward for your comments in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Over here you can already see the scratches.